Sanibonani football lovers. Welcome to Sportibong. Zikamalombo Nkosi. Ngithembele kahle emakhaya niyaphila. Ngaphambi kokuthi ngiqale ngicela ningisize ngento yodwa. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if awaka subscribe. Mase usubscribeile, cela nje ungakhohlwa ukushiya like ku video. Ngawenza umkhulu umehluko, ngabonga. Danko. Asivele sihlala udabeni. We all know ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs before they had to play a game versus iKabuskop that was played in 20 September. They had to play a game during the week, 17 September, if not mistaken, against ETS Galaxy. So that game was postponed. So manje ke seyikhishiwe date ukuthi iyodlalwa nge-7 December after the game versus Chippa United. So after today, I think, if I'm not mistaken, sinama game i5 ekumele siwadlale up until unyaka uphele. So in the calendar year so uphelile unyaka with these 5 games remaining, yiyo ke i-fixture eseyisele for Kaizer Chiefs, meaning ukuthi yonke into iyohlelwa for next year, because now I think we are left with the game versus versus Al Masry nge-23, and then sibuye nge-30 we have to play against Zamalek, and then we have to play against Chippa United nge-3 December. Bese nge-5 December, not nge-5, nge-7 we have to play against ETS Galaxy. So ungathatha up ama-game i5, including that game lena bekumele sidlale with iMagesi, nayo bazoyikhipha i-date yayo. So yiyo ke le yes5 engisayibala, not unless ke if they will decide ukuthi bazoyislaughter in for next year ngoJanuary ama-games alandelayo. So for this remaining time of the year, I think ukuthi sisele ngama-game i4 if not mistaken, if asiyibali lena bangadecide ukuthi bazoletha nini date yakhona. So kusho kona ukuthi we have 2 league games and we have 2 CAF Confederations games, which means ukuthi mele sihlale ngokuyimisela so that it becomes easy for us ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi singapheniki when it comes ukuthi sikwazi ukuphuma kwi-group and also get those maximum points ngapha ku-DStv Premier League, so that isazi ukuthi soloku sikhuphuka laphana kwi-log, because sisahleli endaweni e-right kwamanje, but we do need amanye ama-points ukuthi at least sikwazi ukuhlala lephezulu. Yiyo ama-updates engiwaphethe about i-Kaizer Chiefs nama-fixtures wabo that we postpone and the ones that they have to play. So asingene udabeni elika-Luke Bartman. Luke Bartman, you know ukuthi kuke waba nesigameko kuthiwa hayi fethu, because it seems like ukuthi gonna get limited game time, it is better for you ukuthi sikuyise kwe-DDC uyodlala khona laphana regularly, so that uzoba ne-momentum, uzokwazi ukuthi this is a feel of playing in a competitive match. But ngoba ke uKaizer JR, our SD sporting director, wayiphikisa indaba wathi ngeke we sign this player to play for i-senior team, not i-DDC. So kwanzeka ukuthi okay ke manje isinqumo sokuthi aye ngale awasasithathile enhloko ukuthi no, manje uzofocus ukutrainer with the senior team and make sure ukuthi wait for his time up until bamnika an opportunity to play. But asibeni honest ke ngokubuka izinto manje, do you see him starting ama-games or must he be introduced ngama-second halves, especially when the team is doing well, so that angabi overwhelmed by the pressure and also azokwazi ukuthola that integration in the club the same way they did to Arsenal uVelebai. But now into mele siyifake emqondweni ukuthi if the team is doing good and we can see ukuthi the squad is fairly balanced, do we have to sacrifice some of the players that are playing so that azodlala, or maybe it was a good idea ukuthi bamise ku-DDC, not because he's a bad player but because bafuna ukuthi azodlala, and now he can stand an opportunity ukuthi atravel with the squad that are going on 11-day tour e-England to play that DStv Disc Challenge Champions that is sponsored by DStv, the team that won i-Disc Challenge Cup for last season. As we know ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs iwinile, so it simply means ukuthi ke naye angazithola i-chance ukuthi ayodlala ne-Manchester United, Leeds United, including i-QPR. Abangaba senhlanhleni badlala against uTylon Smith if kuyenzeka, because yena uyi-under 20. But now into emele siyifake emqondweni ukuthi actually it was going to be a good idea for him ukuthi aye ku-DDC. But now also ku-senior team, they can use some of his attributes, some of his abilities so that they can help the team ukuthi ithole ama-result wafunayo. But if it doesn't happen ukuthi adlale, what that can do to his mental toughness, because you know he's still young and he still wants to play ama-games. But if the team is doing well and abasiboni isidingo sokumdlalisa, will the coaches be wrong by doing so? Because the coaches did say ukuthi okay ngathi bafila, let me not say ukuthi the coaches, uCedric Kazi said ukuthi bazomisa ku-DDC, but wayiphikisa indaba u-sporting director. So because you know ukuthi sporting director is calling the shots, so manje if ever it happens ukuthi uKazi asifiki isikhathi la khona ukuthi angamdlalisa, engamfaka enkingeni, or it is a matter ukuthi let him wait for his time or athathe le opportunity, because now is not ukuthi bayamdemote ke manje. It's all about ukuthi now they are giving him a platform and that exposure ukuthi ayodlala nezinye ingane ezilingana naye, so that he can measure his progress from that ukuthi okay uzothi masekabuya ngeyi-7 December uzobona ukuthi okay now ngikwazile ukudlala nama-players that are playing England. Now mina ngoba most of the time ngidlale ngapha eMzansi, this is what I was doing wrong, this is what I've learned, this is what I need to fix. But also ingaphinda futhi yenzeni imsize in terms of what understanding, because one thing about these tournaments is not only about ukuthi banigaya a chance ukuthi nihambe nodlala, but it's all about to see ukuthi the standard of DDC and the other leagues from other countries, because no, this one is not the same as the Next Generation Cup, because the Next Generation have 8 teams that participate in it. That's why we saw ukuthi Stellenbosch kwazile ukuywina last season. So that was a testament with DDC. It is actually one of the best youth leagues as now. Let me say with emhlabeni, because singayibala lapho, not only Africa, because we see by the large number of players that get ama senior contract and the players that play ba ama youngsters. So it shows ukuthi umsebenzi oyenzwa laphayana uyabonakala. But now we don't have to overlook it, because uBatman going to DDC doesn't mean ukuthi he's a bad player, but babafuna ukuthi bamdlalise. So we might have mistaken his statement sakhe in terms of maybe just because kuti bayamrelease we think ukuthi he's a bad player. No, it's all about him ukuthi azokwazi ukudlala, because it is not guaranteed okwamanje ukuthi uzodlala, but ngokuhamba kwesikhathi uzothi makathola i-chance yakhe, I know ukuthi he's gonna grab it with both hands. But now akumelanga silwise ucoach because he decided ukuthi no asimude, because one thing about our coaches, no, not our coaches, but our sporting director, he knows how to fight for what is right. Because if it wasn't for him, uvele bhayi no Batman ngaba sibatholanga, because before sizosayina Boy2 kwakufunwa uvele bhayi I1, he was the diamond. Because I remember one interview he made with Robert Marawa ku MSW, where awakhuluma ukuthi no bamfuna uvele bhayi, but manje isibi ngazathi Alex Estatu uye ongafisi, but bathe mabathola le chance ukuthi no manje i-team is no longer in the jurisdiction of i-NSL, but no, let's use that as at our advantage ukuthi sithole lama players for free. But what will happen, he exercised the patience in order ukuthi azowathola lama players. That's why he's fighting for them, because if there's anyone who wanted to see them play natural, it was uKaizer Junior. Unabi bangekho emqondweni walokho, even the coaches manje, but yena he made sure, because he exercised this thing called discernment, because he knows ukuthi he has a good judge of character kuma players. Because first, before ukwazi ukwenza lokho, we have to monitor a player and observe, and then we'll decide with no, this one is for the future, he can help Kaizer Chiefs in the long run. Because a player like Batman, he's one player that is physically strong. He can compete with my duels, with my challenges, and his technical ability, he's very good when it comes to that. And for his age, his maturity, it shows good he has been exposed to games that are difficult, especially while he was playing for Cape Town Spurs. But now he's no longer playing for Cape Town Spurs, and thina simbheke ngamehlo samjaja from how he was playing with Cape Town Spurs, but we haven't seen him play for Kaizer Chiefs, and we hope with Kaizer Chiefs he's gonna ball, he's gonna give us what we need, because we saw a glimpse of that Velebhai. Even though Masimsana, his stats were not convincing, but Kaizer Junior knew what he wanted, because Velebhai will give you depth, will give you pace, and make sure he makes calculated runs. Because okwamanje simbonile udlalile angasho ukuthi is 2 games, but you can see kule yayiqalile versus Obit uVelebhai ukuthi usafuna ukujwayela indawo, because he's still playing it safe. Akakadlali ngalendlela leyo ukuthi no, manje aku-4-5 inja 1 inja all, mangiyaphambili ngiyaphambili, but kwama moment uyabona ukuthi okay uyafuna but uyasaba ukuthi mangadlisa la ngizoba senkingeni, let me opt ukuthi ngibuyele emuva siliqale kabusha ibhola and then we start again ukuthi is attack. So for uBatman, we saw FIFA World Cup under 20 didn't have the best tournament because akadlalanga that much, and we won't blame him because I think ukuthi nalendaba lena yama-court hiyo beyideraila his progress, and also beyenza umehluko omkhulu because bombonga ukuthi in terms of momentum and rhythm bangakabi sharp because he was only training for Chiefs but bangakadlali competitive game. So even now it gives him that opportunity ukuthi ayodlala, not because manje mabafuna ukumhambisa simply means angeke asabuye. Yes ukubuya ngabuya, but kulama games asele lawo i4 there's no guarantee ukuthi khona angayidlala kule 4 because we have too competitive. La sazi khona ukuthi it's a do or die of a match kule Al Masry neZamalek. Maybe kulena ke ye Chippa United and iTS Galaxy eyokudlalwa le eMbombela ngo-3. Yiyo ke igame engingasho ukuthi okay maybe yiwo ama-games bangazama, but ukuthi sobona adlala i-full match okwamanje sese mancane amathuba, but for him to travel with a reserve team eKaizer Chiefs ukuthi aye England, it will be a good opportunity for him. So I don't know ukuthi what do you think about that, because it is a good thing for him ukuthi azokwazi ukuba exposed, akwazi uku-understand, but also we know ukuthi you want him to play into eniyifunayo leyo. That's why abantu bakhala ukuthi why umhambisa angakadlali. So kusho ukuthi laba mabase training lento lena abayibonayo ayikho, thina sazi kangcono kunabo, because that's how it is at some point. Month uyabheka from the fans perspective, maqeda uyibheka from the coaches perspective, simply ukuthi sometimes we know more than them, even though they are the ones that are spending most of the time with these players on a daily basis. They are there training the guys, having 2 training sessions a day. Yinto engiyibuzayo leyo, but I don't know ngikini asivala.